Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 4. The word problems, question number 4 and question number 5. What is in the question number 4? The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So find his present age. So we are going to concentrate what we have to find. We have to find the present age. So firstly we will assume the same. Let the present age of Rahman is equals to x years, and in the next line 3 years ago means 3 years back. 3 years ago, what will be the age of Rahman? 3 years ago it will be x minus 3. We have discussed in my previous videos also. If the ago is given, then we have to subtract the age by the number of years, and 5 years from now, 5 years from now Rahman's age will be x plus 5. So now what is in the question? The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman age. What type of ages? 3 years ago and 5 years. We will take these two part, means this age and this age. We will do the reciprocal of these two ages, means 1 over x plus 5, x minus 3 and 1 over x plus 5. Then we will do the reciprocal, then sum of the reciprocal. These reciprocal we have taken, and after that we will do the sum of these two ages. Is, what is the meaning of is? Tense I have discussed earlier. Is, am, are, was, were. We will interpret it as equals to, is equals to, it will be equals to 1 upon 3. And now this is a type of the question we have discussed in my previous video. So I am getting these this algebraic expression. So what will I do here? I will take the LCM of these two. I will get x plus 5, x minus 3. Now x plus 5 multiplied by 1, x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So x and x will be 2x. It will be 2x. 5 minus 3 will be plus 2 upon, take the open these brackets, x multiplied by this bracket, that will be x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15 is equals to 1 upon 3. So what will I do here? That will be 2x plus 2 x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 1 over 3. Now I will take the LCM, I will do the cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2x plus 2, 3 multiplied by 2x, it will implies here 6x plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and this whole term multiplied by 1, you will get x square plus 2x minus 15. So now what will I do? I will take the terms on the other side. It will become x square, take 6x on the other side, 2x minus 6x, 6 is of plus, take it on the other side, minus 6 minus 15 equal to 0, and you will get the next equation, x square minus 6x plus 2x will be minus 4x, minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 equal to 0. Now I can apply the quadratic formula as well as the splitting the middle term. So the factors are were very simple, so I am going to do it with the simpler method, splitting the middle term. So here the sum is minus 4 and the product is minus 21. So the factor, suitable factor will be 7 and 3. Minus 7 and 3 I will take. When you add it, you will get minus 4. When you multiply it, you will get minus 21. So what will I do? I will split this minus 4 into minus 7x plus 3x. Now pairing these two, this pair and this pair, take x common. What will be inside the bracket? X minus 7 plus 3 common, x minus 7, take x minus 7 again common, and x plus 3. Now you are getting two factors x minus 7 and x plus 3 equate equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0, and you are getting the value of x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 3. But as you know, we are what is x? X is the age can never be negative, so I will not take this part, I will reject this part. So this part will be rejected and the age we will take as 7. So present age of Rahman is equals to 7 years. So that was my question number 4. Similarly, I am going to do the question number 5. That is also a very easy question. What is the question of exercise 4.3, question number 5? In a class test, the sum of Shefali marks in maths and English is 30. And had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. So there are two subjects, maths and English. So I am not going to take it as x and y as we have discussed earlier. What they are saying, sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English means maths plus English is equals to 30, means the sum of these two marks equals to 30. So I will take 1 as x. Suppose I am taking maths as x, then what will be the marks in English? It will be English is equals to 30 minus x. So I will write it here. Firstly, the assumption part, solution will be, let the marks secured by Shefali in maths. In maths, if you are taking it as x, as I have discussed, maths in x, English will be 30 minus x. In English will be 30 minus x. So these two we have taken. Now according to the question, you will write it here according to the question. What will be the next line? Had she got 2 marks more in maths? If she got 2 marks more in maths, so the new marks in maths marks, according to the question, maths marks, 2 marks more in maths means x plus 2. X was the marks secured by Shefali in maths. If she has taken 2 marks more means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English means English marks, according to the question, 30 minus x minus 3, it will be 27 minus x. Then if this condition applied, the product of their marks means, if you are doing the product of these two marks means x plus 2 and 27 minus x, product of these two marks is equals to 210. So now you are going to do the product of these two. It will be 27 into x, 27x, x into x will be minus x square, minus x square, then 54, then minus 2x is equals to 210. Take minus x square as such, then 27x and 2x will be 25x plus 54. Try to take this sign as positive. If you want to make this sign as positive, take all the terms on the other side. It will become x square goes on the other side, it will become x square plus 25x goes on this side, it will become minus 25x. 54 goes on this side, minus 54 plus 210 equals to 0. When you add it, you will get x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. So what will I do here? I am having the quadratic equation. I am going to do it with the splitting the middle term. So what is the product? Product is 156, sum is minus 25, 13 and 12 will be the suitable factors. So I split this 25 into minus 13 and minus 12. Now make the pairs of these two. Firstly this pair and this pair. Take x common, you will get x minus 13, and minus 12 common, you will again get x minus 13. These two brackets are same. You can take it outside. It will be x minus 13 and rest will be x minus 12. So you are having two type, x minus 13 equal to 0 and x minus 12 equal to 0. from the first part, x minus 13 equal to 0, you are getting x equals to 13, and x minus 12 equal to 0, you are getting x, you can write it here, x minus 13 equal to 0 implies x equals to 13, x minus 13 equal to 0 equals to x minus 13, and x minus 12 equal to 0, you are getting x equal to 12. Now you are having two different answers, it can be 13, it can be 12. So hence the marks, if x is 13, put it here, if you are having x is 13, that will be the maths marks. Marks in maths will be 13, marks in English 30 minus 13 will be 17. Similarly, if you are taking x equals to 12, then marks in maths will be 12 according to this condition, and 30 minus 12 will be 18, and that is the answer of my this part. Thank you very much.